Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and also share this video. So Xolani, who is the host of Mojave hit TV show called Sizokthola, where he exposes people who deals with Mojave Sizokthola, or the DIIRUUUGKKS word, has not only received praises and love from citizens of South Africa, you guys, for helping expose the DRU world, but he has also received love from Nigerian citizens who are living in the country. This man gave praises to Xolani and said that he is doing a good job and he should find Nigerian dealers, and this is what he said Xolani should do when he finds them. You guys, I found that this video on TikTok. Please do engage with me down in the comment section below. I shall surely see you on the flip side. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.
Hello everyone, I'm from Nigeria and my name is Tony Smile. I've been watching this guy video, this South African guy video, this guy on the screen. I've been watching his video lately and I so much appreciate what he's doing. Guy, keep it up, keep what you're doing up. But there's something you're doing that I don't like. That is why I'm making this video. Like, it's great, busting people that sell drugs and all that. But there's something you're not doing that I don't like, that I'm calling your attention. When you catch people from Nigeria that are selling drugs, there's something you should do to them that you're not doing. I suggest you always cut one of their hands off. Yeah. Cut one of their hands up. Your job has been perfect. Your job has been good. But what will make it perfect is you cutting one of their hands up each time you catch them with drugs. Because these people did not only tarnish Nigerian name. I know our governments have been so useless that they have already ruined the country already. But these same people are the people adding to Nigerian problem. Because of these same people, there are some genuine people in South Africa that are Nigerian that they cannot work freely because of these people selling drugs. Because of these same people, South African people feel that all Nigerian are they deal on trafficking, they deal on drugs, they are bad people and all that because of these same people. So now, please, it's an appeal. I'm appealing to you. Anytime you catch any Nigerian person with drugs, selling drugs in your country, just remember one thing before you do that. They are tarnishing the image of our country, which is Nigerian. They are making your people get more addicted to drugs. That's why you need to do what I'm asking you to do now. Cut one of their hands off. So each time they want to go and buy or release them from prison, want to go and sell drugs, when they look at that, and they will remember what you did to them and they will not sell it again. Please, just do me that favor. Whenever you catch any of them, cut their hands off. If the person proves stubborn and still go back to selling, cut the second hand off. I think by doing that, it will really help. Thank you.